Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello, good morning, guys. How are you? Hope everyone will be good in health. Today, our topic is about the under voltage, the problem for the under voltage of the generator. So, let's start with it. The problem when you are going to face on the generator, and that problem is under voltage, that means that either you have a fuses problem, you have a relay problem, or either you have a wiring problem, or it can be either a stator or the exciter problem. So whenever you are going to face the under voltage problems, you have to check, you have to see all these things, you have to take necessary actions against all these things. So let's start with it today. I'm going to show you what if in this case what you are going to do. First of all, you are going to check the fuses, the relays. You can see here, okay, these are the terminals, all the wires from end to end, which is going from and to and from the stators, that needs to be checked thoroughly. If any of the wire get problem, it is going to do like this. So you have to check whether that the problem is coming from the wiring or the fuses or the relays, or maybe the stator or the exciter. Sometimes due to the corrosion, due to the dirt, the stator can get this kind of problem, and then you have to service the stator as well. And after you service the stator, the things can be normal. So these are the all necessary points which you have to remember when you are going to have this kind of problem. Hope my video is going to give you benefit and is going to help you in your daily life. Thank you.